What's up guys, Saeed here, welcome to another videos. The OnePlus 7 Pro is also a large phone, it's just a little bigger and heavier than Samsung's Galaxy Note 9. It has a screen that's about 6.5 inches diagonally and a fairly tall 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The screen hits the basics, it's high resolution, gets really bright, and has vibrant colors. It's an OLED screen, of course, just like you should expect on a high-end phone. OnePlus has gone a little further than that, though, by giving this screen a higher refresh rate, 90Hz instead of 60Hz. It makes everything from the scrolling to animations look much smoother. The whole point of it is to allow OnePlus to stretch the display edge to edge without any notches or camera cutouts. The bezels are tiny all the way around, and on the left and right edges, the screen curves into the body just like on a Samsung Galaxy phone. The OnePlus 7 Pro is very fast. It should be, it has top-tier specs for an Android phone. There's the requisite Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, but it's paired with both fast RAM and capacious storage. You have a choice of 6, 8, or 12 GB of RAM and either 128 or 256 GB of storage. You will feel it, as the OnePlus 7 Pro is heavy. And most satisfied for this phone price starts is $669 US. The 7 Pro will dynamically change either the refresh rate or the resolution on the fly, depending on whether the app you're using might be better off with something slower or lower resolution. Well, technically it's what's under the screen, a fingerprint sensor. An in-screen fingerprint sensor is also nothing new anymore, even for OnePlus, but the 7 Pro has a better performing scanner than anything I've tried, including last year's OnePlus 6T or this year's Galaxy S10 line. Surprise! I've been mostly pleased with the shots I'm getting out of the 7 Pro. The main 48-megapixel sensor outputs 12-megapixel images by default, and those images are quite good, often good enough to hang with the Galaxy S10, iPhone XS, and even occasionally the Pixel 3. I'm also really pleased with the 4000 mAh battery, you're running beyond a full day and well into the second with moderate use and easily pulling a full day even with heavy usage. I also really like OnePlus' custom version of Android, Oxygen OS. It's based on Android 9 Pie. Thanks for watching, see you next one.